Happy first birthday, Liam! Happy birthday, anak. Wish ko sa'yo na maging healthy ka palagi at lumaki kang mabait, may takot sa Diyos at makamit mo lahat ng pangarap mo soon.
Happy birthday, Liam! Ang prayer ko, lumaki kang, unang-una may takot sa Diyos. Pangalawa, siyempre, mapanitili ang kapugian. Yun, kapugian niya.
Akala namin wala nang talagang pag-asa. Pero napakabuti pa rin ng Diyos at gumawa siya ng himala sa aming buhay. At ang isang himala na yun ay nagdulot sa amin ng lubos na kaligayahan. At yun nga si Liam. Kaya isang patotoo ito na walang imposible sa Diyos. Napakabuti niya talaga.
Happy birthday! It's gonna be a better day. It's getting better, a better day. It's getting better, better, a better day. Look ahead, oh. I'm moving on, it's a better day. It's getting better, a better day.
Happy birthday, Liam! We're really grateful and thankful to the Lord for your life. You are really a sunshine. You are a joy and pride to our family. We love you so much. Happy birthday.
I can see blue skies up on the way, but there'll be rainbows after the rain.
Happy birthday, Liam. Mahal na mahal ka ni Ninang. Thank you kasi nandyan ka. Isa kang stress reliever po sa amin.
So light it up, light it up, light it on. It's a better day. It's getting better, a better day. It's getting better, a better. Happy birthday, Happy birthday, It's getting better, a better day.
Si Liam, nung bago siya dumating sa amin, talagang pinag-pray namin siya. Sobrang hirap po kasi ng pinagdaanan namin bago siya dumating. Sa kaalaman lang po ng iba, pangatlong anak si Liam, pero siya lang po yung naging survivor sa kanilang tatlo. So, sobrang happy kami nung binigay siya sa amin ni Lord. Yun.
It's a better day. It's getting better, a better day. It's getting better, a better day. Look ahead, oh.
Sana lumaking may takot sa Diyos, ating Jollibee yan.
Happy birthday again!
A better day. A better day.
Napakasaya namin, Liam, na dumating ka sa amin. Nagpapasalamat kami sa Diyos at ikaw yung binigay sa amin with God. Wish namin sa'yo, lagi kang malusog, lumaki kang matalino at masunurin sa iyong mga magulang. I love you!